Well, where can I go now? Where can I go? I'm so lost. R9. I still haven't seen the R9 in person.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally the Yamaha R9 has arrived in Singapore. This is what I have waited for the longest, which is the all-new Yamaha R9. So the picture of the Yamaha R9 was released back last year, and I can't wait to see the actual bike in person. And also sad to say, the Yamaha R1 and the R6 has discontinued. So right now the latest bike for the Yamaha Supersport will be the Yamaha R9, but of course with the 890cc CP3 engine, the performance and the power is not comparable like the Yamaha R1. So the Yamaha R9 is more like a street bike. There's more usable power, you know, on the street. There's more usable power at the lower RPM, unlike, you know, the R6 or the R1. The power only comes in at the mid-range and also the high-range RPM. So if you are just riding on the street, how many times will you ride, you know, your bike at a higher RPM range? So I believe most of the time we will be riding at a lower RPM range, unless you are riding on a track. Yeah, then you'll be running a bike at a higher RPM range. So right now I'm moving off from the traffic light. I'm only at the lower range of the RPM. I don't really rev my bike, you know, at a higher RPM range because it's not necessary. And if I were to do that at the first gear, I will be going above 100 kilometers per hour. So this is why smaller CC bike is better to ride on the street. And right now I'm heading to the Yamaha dealership, and I can't wait to see the all-new Yamaha R9. Yep, so that's the place where I'll be going. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is not suitable for YouTube. Just turn my head away. Yeah, so this is the place where I'll be going. Wow. Okay, let's get back to today's video. Yeah, so this is the only Yamaha dealership in Singapore. So most of the Yamaha bikes from the bike shop will came from this Yamaha dealership. I really can't wait to see the Yamaha R9 in person. There's so many bikes here. Ooh. All the Yamaha bikes, from small CC to bigger CC bike. The reflection looks good, man. So I'm not here to service my bike. Hopefully they won't chase me away. Not sure whether this lot or this place is meant for bike parking. So right now let's head into the showroom. Okay. So R1. And this is the R7. R3. Yeah, this is the new R3. But where's the R9? I don't see there's any R9 here. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can I check, is R9 here?
Sold out.
Oh, sold out. So it's not in the showroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, thanks. Damn. The R9 is not here in the showroom. So disappointed. The R9 is not here. I have to think of a solution. Let's try other bike shop. Let's try. It's not here, man. Let's try the nearest bike shop around here. There are many bike shops here, but the problem is I'm not sure whether is there any R9, in their shops. R9 is not here. No, I don't see there's any R9. Let's try the other street. Hopefully there'll be one. R9. No, I don't see there's any R9. R9. Any R9 here? No. Nope. There's no R9. No. Well, let's go. Let's go. It's not here. It's either the bike is being sold out or, the bike is still new, so there's not much stock left, Cracking my head where to find the R9. Got to try my luck. Let's try Louis Moto. There's a lot here. Yeah, this is a downslope. Actually, I don't wish to, hit in because I need to push back my bike, which is, lots of effort. Okay. Let's try my luck. Not sure whether they have the R9. Morning. Any idea if the R9 is here?
Okay, you go to level 2.
Level 2, thanks. Oh, lots of retro bikes. It's all the yellow red plate, and these are the new bikes. And that's the RVF. Oh my god, my leaf is here. Level 2. So not sure whether the R9 is here, but let's try my luck. Okay, the door is about to open. Let's see. No, the R9 is not here. Hello， 你们有 R9 吗？
我order 2还没有来，大概在36、37的。我有一个人不定了，所以我 order 他的。我不
可以
我应该会 based on deposit 我才 order。
OK， 因为我还以为 showroom 会有 R9。哪里？
你们去红中看？
红六没有，他一直讲说。
他已经讲说啊。
Yeah. Anyway, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Level 1 with disappointment. Damn. Well, where can I go now? Where can I go? I'm so lost. R9. I still haven't seen the R9 in person. I still find that the R6 and the R1, it looks, you know, still looks amazing. Well, really disappointed. Let's try the last bike shop. Today seems like it's a tour the bike shop Singapore. Earlier on, I've tried to contact other bike shops. Seems like most of the bike shops have ran out of stock, so there's no R9 in their showroom. And right now, I'm gonna try the last bike shop. Hopefully, the R9 is there for me to view.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as